Welcome to your ultimate pit stop, Piston Pundit. It's clear the electric vehicle hype is fading, even in a city like New York, where you'd expect it to thrive. The EV industry faces major setbacks with weak sales, production delays, and layoffs. Even Tesla is struggling with disappointing deliveries and mounting complaints. If EVs can't succeed in a city pushing hard for sustainability, it might be time to question if the electric dream is losing its spark. Let's explore the 8 reasons why EVs are stalling in New York City. Reason number 8. Safety concerns over EV fires. In New York City, safety concerns are dimming the allure of electric vehicles. Recent incidents of EV fires have cast a shadow over their reputation. In March 2024, an EV spontaneously combusted in Queens, causing significant property damage and raising alarms about the safety of parking these vehicles in densely populated areas. Another fire in Midtown Manhattan in June 2024 disrupted traffic and heightened public fear. These fires spotlight the risks associated with lithium-ion batteries, which are prone to overheating and igniting. As these dramatic events unfold, New Yorkers are becoming increasingly wary of EVs, influenced by fears over safety and the perceived inadequacy of emergency response for such incidents. Reason number 7. Consumer concerns about EVs. Consumers are waking up to the realities of owning an EV, and many are finding them less appealing than expected. The high cost of EVs remains a major barrier, with many questioning whether the steep price is justifiable. Battery longevity is another concern, with potential buyers apprehensive about the expensive replacements required if a battery fails prematurely. The charging infrastructure, touted as the backbone of the EV revolution, is also falling short. In New York City, the scarcity of reliable, fast-charging stations exacerbates the problem, leaving potential buyers frustrated by the prospect of searching for a working charger. As the initial excitement fades, consumers are increasingly skeptical about the promises of a seamless green future. Reason number 6. Economic uncertainty dampens EV enthusiasm. Economic uncertainty is affecting consumer attitudes towards electric vehicles. With rising inflation and interest rates, potential buyers are hesitant to commit to large financial investments. The high cost of EVs, which often surpasses that of traditional internal combustion engine vehicles, is becoming a deterrent, especially in a city where living expenses are already high. The promise of long-term savings on fuel is overshadowed by concerns about the vehicle's initial cost, battery degradation, and resale value. As economic pressures mount, New Yorkers are questioning the practicality of investing in EVs, opting instead for more familiar and predictable ICE vehicles. Before we delve deeper, do us a favor and smash that like and subscribe button. This helps us reach more auto enthusiasts just like you. Now let's shift gears and steer towards our next point. Reason number 5. EV infrastructure issues in New York City. New York City's infrastructure is a major stumbling block for EV adoption. The city's unique urban challenges make widespread EV use difficult. Many residents live in apartments or condos, where installing a home charging station is impractical. Public charging stations are sparse and often inconvenient, leading to long wait times and unreliable equipment. The high cost of living in the city adds another layer of complexity, with higher insurance rates for EVs and significant upfront costs. The practicalities of maintaining a charged EV in a congested, densely populated environment only add to the difficulties. These issues combine to create significant barriers to EV ownership in New York City. Reason number 4. Soaring maintenance costs and reliability woes. Rising maintenance costs and reliability issues are major hurdles for EV adoption. In New York City, where car ownership is already expensive, the high cost of maintaining an EV deters buyers. Unlike traditional vehicles with well-established repair systems, EVs require costly, specialized care. Battery replacement is a significant concern. While warranties cover early years, replacing an EV battery later can cost tens of thousands of dollars, a daunting expense for many drivers. Additionally, EVs are prone to issues with electrical systems and charging ports. With a shortage of certified technicians, repair costs and wait times are increasing. These factors contribute to slower EV sales, as the promised low-maintenance benefits are overshadowed by real-world repair challenges. Reason number 3. Economic hurdles for startups. Economic barriers are another key reason EVs are struggling to gain traction. Many startups find it nearly impossible to break into the market due to the astronomical costs associated with developing an electric vehicle. We're talking billions of dollars in research, manufacturing, and technology development. Creating an EV involves not only designing the vehicle, but also developing advanced battery technology, electric drive systems, and software, all of which require extensive testing and refinement. Securing the necessary funds for these initial investments is a massive challenge for most startups. Even once a prototype is developed, scaling up production involves significant capital for manufacturing facilities and quality control. Navigating the complex regulatory landscape adds another layer of cost and difficulty, as startups must ensure their vehicles meet stringent safety and performance standards before they can hit the market. Reason number 2. Tesla's troubles and industry struggles in NYC. Tesla, once the leader in the EV market, is now facing significant challenges that are affecting its performance in major markets like New York City. The decline in Tesla's market share is part of a broader trend as competition heats up. Established automakers and new entrants are providing more options, which is chipping away at Tesla's dominance. Quality control issues, price volatility, and growing skepticism about Elon Musk's leadership are contributing to the decline. New Yorkers, known for their discerning tastes and high expectations, are becoming more cautious. As a result, many are reconsidering their loyalty to Tesla and exploring other options, leading to a noticeable drop in sales. Reason number 1. The clash between EV mandates and reality. The clash between EV mandates and reality is a significant barrier, especially in urban areas like New York City. While legal mandates aim to boost EV adoption, they often clash with practical challenges and consumer resistance. Ambitious targets and regulations don't automatically translate into market readiness or consumer enthusiasm. In New York City, the practical difficulties are stark. Limited private garages and insufficient public charging infrastructure make EV ownership challenging. High insurance costs also add to the financial burden. Mandates can create backlash and frustration when they fail to address these real-world issues, highlighting a disconnect between policymakers' goals and consumers' needs. This resistance reflects the slow pace at which new technologies can be integrated into existing systems, making mandates alone insufficient to drive adoption. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the latest vehicle news and upcoming videos. Also, please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.